But you're ready to be SP once it's given to you,
Are you
the
ready,
position. You're ready po.
Aba, ganyan din ako noon. You always put words into the mouth. If I say something,
Plans to install you as SP before your term ends.
wala kong ideya, wala kaming pinag-uusapan pa, at don't worry, tatanong ko sa kanya yung katanungan.
But you are open if ever na ganun na yung mangyari.
Tatanong ko muna, ay, alam mo dito dapat ang ating impormasyon ay first-hand.
You as SP before
No,
your term ends.
your question was the statement of the Senate President, right? Tito Soto. I have no idea. I have to ask him what he meant. Yun na muna siguro. Yes.
So yung kahapon walang ganung napag-usapan sa lounge, ma'am, sa inyo ng majority block. Wala po ganun.
Yung kahapon sa lounge?
Yes,
Hindi. It was a meeting, I think, about the Blue Ribbon Report. Yeah.
First,